Hello, this is me here in Sorsogon, the province of Sorsogon, which is in the southern part of Bicol. Today we're going to discover this amazing food gathering. We're going to meet there, we're going to eat.
Very even hard to talk. It's really hard.
And we're going to also share kindness with the people, but mostly learning their culture, because Sorsogon has a full of culture that you will never ever experience in the Philippines. And it's in the southern part of the region of Bicol. That's where we're invited by a family, and we're gonna go right here and just see what is the meaning of tradition around the Filipino culture, and what is the meaning of kindness, how the families are generous.
Hey!
Hello.
Finally we met! We went there!
And I can see your car.
Oh!
Iparada mo naman, kuya, oh. Iparada mo naman, oh. Sa Malimpoy. Okay, kami.
Maganda gabi po. Hello po! Come here! Come here! Bless, bless, bless!
Please.
Bless! Bless, 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 bless! Bless! Bless, 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 bless! Oh! This is your place here. Hello. Oh, smells good already here.
Those who don't know Sorsogon, like the way you can say Cebu, there is a Sorsogon province and the Sorsogon city. And the same as in Cebu, there is a Cebu as province and Cebu as city. So what is going to happen here, you're going to be amazed.
That's my favorite here. Wow. That's my favorite. Look at that grill. Where they got this? Lake? River?
Look at the food, is amazing. They prepare all this decoration. They start by laying up, and those people who knows the Filipino culture, tradition, the way they lay up the food with these amazing things called the Budo fight. Some of them call it kamayan, and the arrangement is so colorful, and we're gonna start.
So when I'm in places like this, I will jump in and start with this. Look at this fish here. Look how big it is. And then I like started with that side there. That is my favorite side, and you're gonna be amazed with this. You're gonna be amazed, yeah. I think you need to dip it a little bit here. This reminds me, very even hard to talk, remind me when I went in Nabua. Together, this, and then you do this. You pull. So tell them come, please. Come eat, please. Yeah. They cook. This is the guy who cooked this. Yeah. Can you come here close? So this is the guy who cooked this, but he's not eating. I don't know why. But he's the one who cooked this. I don't know much about crab. I just peeled that in. But I will stick with the fish in the meantime.
You want to taste?
Oh, so you eat it what?
Yeah, this.
This?
Yes.
This? Look at you guys, the meal is gone, you see, it's gone. I love that. But the kids look like they didn't finish fish there. So, but everything gone. I love that. Let's do it and see if we can have some game. Choose the first. Choose the first. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. This one here. Bicol says touch to luck. Bicol say touch no. Yeah, let's see.
1, 2, 3. Kapot, balik ka.
Bagay ni bato.
Kapot, mata.
Puro lingan.
Dungo.
Malulugan na.
Kapot, tudak.
So I really thank you so much. We're gonna give the gift anyway to the winner. I wanna get this time to say thank you to you and your husband.